Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Python script review series. And today I kind of forgot to press the record button. So I fixed the program, but I didn't finish it, but I finished it up. I polished it a little bit, but originally this. Okay, so I'll just talk about the program first to catch you guys up. So this program just takes in two numbers from the user, the first president, second president, and then you just get the number, and an M, and then the output will consist of nth president to the nth president of the United States. So here's a file, every single line containing every single president of the United States, up to Donald Trump for now, um, in order, and we open the file with typo with infile, open, and then open as read mode. And then second, we get the user inputs, first president, second president, integers. You can also use eval or evaluate because it will do the same thing for this scenario. And now we create the list with list comprehension to get every single president in this list. And then we use the list to get the output. And then we close it. So the original file did have different variable names and did not have close, which is a big mistake. You should always close your files. If you don't want to close your files, then you could also use with open so that you wouldn't have to close it afterwards. So I changed the variable name to first pres, second pres, and then president's list. So that's like more noticeable. I think the original name was like num1, num2 or something. It's just like the things that only the writer would get first time, and then he would probably forget it afterwards as well. So let's run this real quick. Let's just say, I don't know, 32, and then 40. Then we'll get the list of presidents like this. Let's see here. Certain improvements I want to make. I don't want to print the list out. So what I could do here is, oh yeah, by the way, I went on and added all these comments. There were no comments. It was just bare bones script. So adding the comment looks nicer and it's easier to understand. So let's make this look nicer, the output. We wouldn't want to print this list. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep the list because why not? We're gonna add the numbers, like for example, number 1, George Washington, just like this for like every single president. So you get it, you get the format. We're gonna have some sort of counter. Let's just say pres num, and then set it to 0. And then let's go through the president's lists. For pres in president's list. We would do 0 to 1 because last time I remember last time I did it and then I set this to 1 and then I put it at the bottom, it had the index error because it went out of range. So now I just set it to 0 and then add 1 here so that the first president is 1, not 0. But of course we need a 0 for the index thing because index starts at 0. Yeah, you get the idea. And then let's see, president's list, pres num will equal to string pres num plus dot space and then another plus to pres. Then we would have the numbers for every single president now. So that's about it for here. And time to format the output a little bit. So we don't want this. We're gonna move this to the variable output. I have it like this. Then let's print a join. So we're gonna have the arrow for joining the output, and we can do this by space, then join output. So that's gonna look a bit more nicer. So I don't know, this time 40 to 45. Oh, did I do this? Oh my god, I did it wrong again. Press down. Oh man. I did it wrong again. Oh, never mind. All I have to do is just this. So 40, 45. Boom! So much nicer now. It's just that the window's short. I could do enter, but Actually, let's try that. Huh. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this looks actually pretty nice. I like this. Yeah, I like this. Right, so that's the complete. Actually, no, not complete just yet. Need to add comments. Let's see. Adding number in front of every president's name. Then print out the results with a nice looking format. Then this is the output video variable. This is the list of what we are going to output. And now that, ladies and gentlemen, is the complete program. So we open with reading mode, get the numbers, get the list with the list comprehension, and then we changed it so that the variable names are nicer now, more understandable. We added this feature where you add number dot like this to in front of every single president's name, so we can identify what number the president was. My dad interrupted. I'm sorry. And then we put this into a list again, and then format with the enter and then arrow to look it really nice. So yeah, that's it. This is a slightly different video, but I think I like it. Maybe I should try this a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed as well and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.